During my long journey in UT, I have learned to study independently by understanding the concepts and thoroughly reading the notes. I would like to thank my coordinator Harsha madam who was supportive in arranging for extra lectures and tests. My complete journey in UT was a pleasant experience.
They always say practice makes perfect, so I feel UT has completely helped me in that way. The last month is the major leap where we have to, practice a lot for our boards, and I guess UT test series was extremely helpful for me. Even though I was a test series student, yet the teachers didn't have any problem in taking classes separately to solve my doubts. They always had doubt sessions.
I would like to thank my mother who stood with me and helped me every time whenever I needed her help. 2 days before my maths exam, I used to come here, get my doubts cleared, and the teachers were really helpful. I'm glad that I joined Universal Tutorial.
Ninth, I wanted him to join a private tuitions because I wanted a teacher to monitor him all the time. But I'm very happy that he's joined UT because he has got over here. I've seen the teachers not only solve his doubts in the doubt session, but whenever he had a doubt, anytime during the day, just one day before his maths paper also, he was here and all the teachers were there to help him. I'm really glad that he joined UT, which really gave him a cutting edge above the rest. Thank you.
I have been interacting with UT in every session whenever I was called. And the kind of response UT gave, including Anubhav sir, when I interacted with him personally, was amazing. And I thought the healthy interactive sessions which Meha had with the UT professors and the faculty as a whole were very good for her. And of course, I'm a proud father that she has done well in her 10th. I thank the UT staff and the faculty for giving the